How to log in into Vancouver property tax account. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel How to Log In. Today in this series of How to Log In, I will show you guys how to log in into Vancouver property tax account. So let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, make sure that you have a stable internet connection on your device. After that, open any browser. For example, I'll be using Safari application. Now on the search bar, search for Vancouver property tax login. As you can see, I have already searched for it. After searching, different websites and links will be appeared on your screen like this. From the different websites and links, click on the first website that says City of Vancouver. Wait for a while and you'll be directed to this page. Here, as you can see, log in into your tax and utility account portal. So just enter your email address and password and tap on login. In case you have forgotten your password, you can tap on reset it option below the login. So that's all. In this very simple and easy way, you can log in into your Vancouver property tax account. I hope this tutorial helped you. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.